Today, Turkmenistan affirms its historic role as a key link between East and West. Within the framework of the program of the President of Turkmenistan for the socio-economic development of the country in 2022-2028 and the state budget for 2025, the country is actively implementing large-scale projects aimed at strengthening macroeconomic stability, modernizing production, and improving the quality of life of the population. The country is actively developing transport and logistics corridors such as the East-West and North-South routes, which connect the Asia-Pacific region with Europe and the Middle East. A striking example of successful cooperation is the Turkmenistan-China gas pipeline, which not only strengthened energy partnership but also demonstrated the balance of interests of all project participants. In addition, integration with China's One Belt, One Road initiative opens up new opportunities for creating multimodal infrastructure, including railways, ports, and digital logistics systems. The state budget for 2025 provides for investments of 40.1 billion manats aimed at modernizing industry, developing the private sector, and social programs. These funds will allow increasing the share of the non-state sector in GDP to 71.6% through support for small and medium-sized businesses, allocating more than 76% of the budget to the social sphere, including education, 37.2%, and healthcare, 13.4%, creating up to 3,000 new production and social facilities with a total value of up to $20 billion. Sustainable development is impossible without improving the lives of citizens within the framework of the national program. Salaries, pensions, and scholarships have been increased by 10% since 2023. 86 large infrastructure facilities have been built and commissioned. The digitalization of public services has been completed, which has increased management efficiency. Turkmenistan, following the course of revival of the new era of a powerful state, demonstrates that historical heritage can become a driver of modern progress.